Hello and good day. This is a prayer challenge. I'm wondering, you heard me, but did you listen? Did you get up in the morning and did you pray to to your ancestors? Did you believe? Did you have faith? Were you thankful? Did you say what you wanted? I challenge you for the next 10 days to follow the 10 tips that I gave you when you pray. I know you're praying, but did you use the tips that I told you? That's what I want to see. The next 10 days, this is a prayer challenge. And I would like for you to leave a testimonial on this video. I want to see. You don't know if you don't do it. Don't miss a step. Don't miss a tip. Use it all. It's only going to help. And if it doesn't, guess what? At least you try and you know that it was bullshit. But pull me or call me on the bullshit. Do it. The next 10 days, use the tips that I gave you. 10 tips. Sacred space, breathe, talk to talk to your ancestors, focus, use your affirmations, and you let me know. Thank you.